This is a great way to see your imaginal acts or your desires in your mind to help bring them into your life. Hello and welcome. My name is Gareth Flick, and in today's video, I want to share with you a quick example that me and my friend were speaking about last night that popped into my head in regards to how our thoughts do not dissolve into the past, they get projected into the future for us to experience them. So that whole motion is a good way to look at it. So you think of your thoughts that they're actually getting projected onto a screen in front of us, and we are like the conveyor belt, and we're not moving ourselves towards it. We are attracting like a magnet this experience into our life. So, we have the thought of some money coming into our life. We create the scene, gets projected forward, and then we have faith and know that the scene is complete. And then more, we accept it, we finally experience it. We're always attracting experiences to us. So we're not creating, creation's finished. We are just claiming and accepting. In a great way, if you want to see your thoughts, or if you have tasks to do, being diagnosed with ADD and my brain works a little different, so I see a lot of images or pictures, but that used to get quite confuddled and I couldn't think. But you could imagine in front of you like the things you need to do for the day as little screens, or cards, and how you're swiping along, maybe Netflix or whatnot, you're swiping, and you can do this with your imagination, see the scenes, like, okay, there's that car I want, where is it? Okay, that scene's in front of me. And I'm qualified in neuro-linguistic programming, so this comes back to that as well. You can, you see the act, okay, you say it's the car, and you could even like whoosh, swoosh it into your mind, and then you make it real colorful, real big. Or, there's you winning the lotto. Pull it in. Now, I've seen that as a really cool way to actually, for myself, to look at my thoughts, see them as a projector screen, and I can just swipe along each one, like, okay, I need to do some marketing work today. Where's that? Pull it in and be like, okay, I'm in marketing mode now. So this can be used for like your to-do list, or things you need to get done, or your desires. Just see them as like, so you're the conveyor belt, you're the machine, they're coming to you, you're sitting here, and your desires are being manifested and being magnetic, pulled towards you because you're the magnet. But you can see them. Just imagine that in front, and know that your thoughts get pushed to the front. So be conscious of what we're thinking about, because it's going to be pushed to the front and lined up as a projector, with there's different levels of waiting to manifest into us. They want, the new desires want you, what you desire wants you. So they're here like waiting, like, when's they going to accept me? And they come closer, and then we have like this little, our belief, is our belief strong enough, or our desire, our assumption to let it come to us, or is it going to get flicked away, like, nope, and get pushed to the back of the line, and it's coming towards us again, but if we still can't accept it, gets pushed away, comes back. But the ones that we do, accept, we're experiencing it. But it's like, I don't know, seeing all your thoughts being pushed to the front, in front of you. It's like you have goggles on, and you just get to experience, they're all lined up for your experience. And then it gets to like, yeah, is he believing himself enough? Yeah, he gets to experience it, bing, type thing. I don't know. So it was quite cool, because I could see it all, like the projectors and like little images, still frames moving towards me. And then, yeah, maybe grab it. Now I'm in that reality where I'm going to experience this. I'm in that conscious state. Yeah, hope that was helpful. That helps with the Neville Goddard, your imaginational acts. If you can see them as like, we swipe cards, you're swiping left, right. No, I don't want that. Yes, pull it forward and make that whoosh noise, and then fully embrace it. I am this person now. Yeah, I did it, type thing. Hope that was helpful. My name is Gareth Fleck. Subscribe, leave a comment, ask questions. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. May peace be on your soul and infinite love flow through your being.